everyone. Today I'll be making deviled ham salad. You've heard of the deviled ham spread. This is pretty much the same thing. You can eat it just as a salad, like tuna salad, or you can make it like a tuna salad sandwich. And that's what we're going to be doing with our deviled ham salad. I'll be making sandwiches for supper tonight. So what all goes into the deviled ham salad? 4 cups of diced ham. This is fully cooked. 1/2 cup mayonnaise. 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. 2 teaspoons Dijon mustard. 1/2 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. And 1/4 teaspoon hot sauce. I'll be using sriracha. Kosher salt. And fresh ground pepper to taste. And Dave mentioned that when he used to have deviled ham sandwiches, his mom chopped up some hard-boiled eggs. So since I'm making this for him, I thought I would add that in there, even though in the recipe it does not call for that. So let's begin. So I don't have a real big food processor. I've just got my little 2-speed KitchenAid food processor. So I might have to do 2 or 3 batches. Put in your 4 cups of ham. I just cut them up in pieces and I cut off the hard crust-like part so it'll be easier to chop. I don't want to get it too full. Put your lid on. It's on chop. Pulse ham until finely chopped. I think that looks pretty good. I'll dump it in this bowl and then I'll finish chopping up the rest of the ham. So here is the ham finely chopped. I'm going to set that aside. Take a bowl. I did have the ham in this bowl, but it says you're supposed to use the big bowl to mix everything in. So in a large bowl, put in your 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Then you want to take your Worcestershire sauce, which is 1 tablespoon, and your 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, the 1/2 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, the 1/4 teaspoon of hot sauce, which mine is sriracha, and salt and pepper to taste. So I'll put a little bit in now and then I'll taste it afterwards and see if I need more. And I put in the freshly ground stuff so it's going to be a little bit stronger. Okay, then mix that up. I think it's cool to be able to make your own. I haven't had deviled ham in a long time. Oh, wait a minute. I did make the deviled ham stuffed eggs. I'll leave that link down below, but barely got it when I was a kid because those little cans was kind of spendy. So to make your own, that's kind of cool. Now put your ham into the sauce. And when we had sandwiches, it was just the deviled ham with mayonnaise on the bread, and that was it. And like I said, Dave's mom, I guess, added eggs to hers, so that's what I'm going to do, thinking it would be good. And then mix that up completely. And this may dry out a little bit when you store it in the refrigerator before you eat it. If that's the case, just add a little bit more mayonnaise to make it a little bit more moist. So now, this is not part of the recipe, so I don't know how much to add, but I chopped up some eggs and I'm going to stir that in there. Hey, Billy and Dave, this is for you. Billy is Dave's mom. Don't think I'm going to need much more, but I think I'll add a little bit more. I'm thinking about 1 egg's worth. So if you're going to do this, I would add 1 egg, and if you like a lot of eggs, add more. If you don't want any eggs, don't add any at all. And of course, we'll put mayonnaise on the bread too. So it almost kind of looks like the deviled ham spread, except the deviled ham spread don't have eggs. Set this in the refrigerator until you're ready to serve. Like I said, if it's too dry, you can add just a little bit more mayonnaise to moisten it a little bit. So we'll leave this in the refrigerator till Dave gets home. So we're going to make the deviled ham salad sandwich. Dave likes Miracle Whip, so we're going to put Miracle Whip on his pieces of toast. And I think our ham is good enough to spread. And we will cut that in half. So here is the deviled ham salad sandwich. And rounding out the meal is Cheetos. Let's see what Dave thinks. Do you know what it is?
No, it's kind of it's got kind of a sweet taste to it. It looks like little pieces of chopped up ham, kind of.
Well, you're correct on that. That is a deviled ham salad sandwich.
Oh,
And I added eggs in there because you said that's how you used to have it as a kid.
it's good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.